Sierra Leoneans, me na General Kaloko. Today, na Thursday, July 8, 2021. Me fellow Sierra Leoneans, I just say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all listeners, fans, supporters, friends, and the youth of General Kaloko. Today, I get few messages for me listeners them inside and outside of Sierra Leone. My fellow Sierra Leoneans, this country today where we dey make we tell God thank you for we a bring come President Julius Maada Bio for we as we President of the Republic of Sierra Leone. You know why? President Julius Maada Bio, from the way how he do things them, the things them way he do na this country, they clearly show say na man we get good at, he get sorry at for people in this nation. So because APC they no say President Julius Maada Bio na God send him for can deliver this nation and for can do the good things the way they do na this nation. Now I make APC then they do things them where they make people and they go against the government where something happen now then total now and then aid they go and papi show with them all over the place. My fellow Sierra Leoneans, let we reflect we mind to waiting be take place na Makeni and Tombo. From where then ten and day, nobody no become stupid again for letting incite them. Nobody no become fool again for let somebody tell us to go do this do them. That kind of thing they don't ever happen again. Chris dog says self, I like them say this dog is Chris dog self pass you go in way before he acts by you like say in a Chris dog. Government now the one old dunya, nobody or group of people no they were able for fight government. For true, I tell you this. Nobody, but where APC then don't lose track, they're not get waiting for tell them supporters them, they're not get waiting for tell the people of this country, and the Skromanya in Kabudu then just kind of thief boku them pack for themselves. Now I make them the incite, then find somebody where then they pay for incite the youth them. How on earth somebody go just grab say go stand government no grill if a government want do something. Generator way and SB take government money buy and put on a Makeni and say stand by the machine no be the woko. Now stand by be the bumu na be the gilite. Then idiots then they now with man country or then they now other country then they the waspan passway and Escoma they pay the number now for do bad and for send bad message in this country. Now then they take them phone there, incite the youth man there. Una go stand the government, una no agree, una go block them, una go do so. Where something commodity now. Then they forget saying that them be they send the youth man them for go do bad thing against government, for go stand against government, where down they no ever happen, no parts in the wall. Where something happen there now. Now waiting happen now then they take. If you buy like what they say, no look usai, you for don't look usai you buck your foot. But APC them because of big full on the inside pan there, then you know where something happen, then they forget now outside them be buck them foot. Now outside them for don't know more now than they see. So now if you buy like what thing they can do to the youth man them, where they can do incite the youth them for go do bad, where the law they take in cause now, where the repercussion they meet the people then they send for go do bad. Now the thing now we meet the youth man then they incite. Now you know more now than they talk about. Then they left for talk now say now them be incite the youth them. Now them be send the youth them for go do thing that we go make something bad happen to them. They know they talk down there against now we send them. But I talk about my first information today now about this gun business. About the gun them way then all na Wataki. Power motorcar we come from overseas to one rare boy we na APC NP. we dey na Congo town we see face the Sierra boy business for. But one thing I want for bring come to the notice of Sierra Leoneans. From the morning, General Kaloko they talk about overthrow, talk about APC them bad plans we then get, talk about Ernest Koroma and bad plans them we get, talk about how Ernest get plan and they work in different fold for unseat this president. But people not can take them for granted. People not can see the reality into waiting I can talk about. This gun business, this past Saturday, where this gun business don't come on do from 10 days here, this past Saturday, now the instruction come to the APC supporters them waiting at the party office for move the balance gun them where them they don't get and keep inside APC party office. They don't move them commodity because of this case we don't come inside. And what see me they tell the one day where they investigate this case, whether na police or whatever, whosoever then they investigate this case na CID, una do proper investigation, una do any kind of thing where they make that MP we import gun them at this country, we send money and buy gun them for put them for the motoka with them for send for una investigate and find one, una suffer them, una do all kind of things for go talk and tell una they want them where they be in all these plans. Yeah, una continue for do that thing there. Waiting at the plan we make then they do all entire couch weapon, buy gun, the other time, then all other weapon them back na other border. APC, we all know. Ernest Koroma, una member Tirade Pakaba we be the rule, we then overthrow Pakaba tute. Ernest Koroma na be the one we be the finance that thing they, na be the support, na be they do all possible means for let them be the overthrow Pakaba, where they overthrow and to them, we Ecomoc then they bring and come back for can rule the country. Now Ernest be they do them thing and they all. Ernest not good for this country. But I can talk something about people them where then they doubt the real that deep and mix up blood, not the action there and then they put. Ernest in plan how in for unseat President Bio by the bullet. So all of this now the preparation this way is deeper. With some of APC, una get some members of the APC. Certain plans and the way Ernest they work with right now. Certain fold the way Ernest they work with right now. Majority of una not even know than they safe. Ernest Koroma get different set of people the way they work with. And they work with this in a different fold where this no they know. And they work with that other one in different fold where the other person no they know. Now this Ernest de Pandu inside the APC against this country. Waiting on Ernest Koroma problem. The next election will get for take place inside 2024 or 2025. We Dande Ernest Koroma no ever happy for Dande. But let's tell you one secret. 2024 or 25 election where they come, the government of Sierra Leone under President Julius Maada Bio in quality leadership, the money we government get for use for do election, the next general and presidential elections, now this government get for provide 80% of the money we then get for use for conduct the elections. 80%. President Bio they provide 80% of the money. So the 20% they come out from the international partners. So all una understand and declare. But I hear that idiots they talk today about Marcella Samba. Sorry, Mama Bia. This na God bring we come. Na God bring come for in this country. Inside this current opposition, for they look certain authority, cost them, Mama them. Marcella Samba na for Bia. Yeah, this na God send for we. APC then they know it will be our opposition. APC then just come on a power from the day one where they say APC don't lost election and the opposition. Now then they now as a loose mad dogs them now, like for say now them be sit down opposition for 10 years some month. This not the problem where this country get. APC not able for beer opposition. And Salone, the constitution of Sierra Leone no say na APC get Salone. The stakeholders that we found Salone no say na APC get Salone. Sierra Leone is for all Sierra Leoneans. Sierra Leone is for all political parties. The leadership of this country belongs to all political parties. The leadership of Sierra Leone belongs to me here they talk and to you where they listen. So if you the SLPP, me the APC, the leadership of this country, then we all earn. So it no mean say me where the APC na me no more for always continue for them power. Then where they send me opposition, you the SLPP they rule, then peace not for them at the country. I for bring all kind of all kind of torment, all kind of trouble now for you the SLPP posse where they parole. A wrong. But mind you, where APC be there in power from 2007, do election 2012, APC win back. Then they take 2018, April 3rd, APC be still in power. What's happened? One day today, you know you Kuskas. One day today, you know you post where they cost Anesi Mama. One day today, you know you post where they cost CI Mama. One day today, you know you post where they cost Anescoma ministers de Mama. One day today, you know people in the lie boku na social media. Tewe Anes done in 2 term some months na power. But for let you believe say APC no will be our opposition, la wakbar. And there, and Tme, and Fonte, and your so Coco. Now for go and do all kind bad plans them. See them for come back na power 2023 where election over for take place. But 2 things. That idiots they cause Marcella Samba today because the plan where Ernest Koroma get for unseat President Bio by the bullet, they limit until 2023. The money we they spend, the one they will get for hire, the one they will get for use, now on 2023, 9 the limits day, 9 the deadline day. So now, then don't begin forget the understanding say the elections not go take place 2023, now 2024 or exceeding 2024, the election will take place. So now, unless don't tell a mad dogs them, and poppy them, where they use, for let them go against people them, for let them talk about, say, let election take place 2023, because if the election exceed 2023, Ernest Koroma will spend more money against the bad plan where he gets against this country and the president for unseat term in a different way, we're not to through the ballot. You understand what I say, or you don't understand? I say that idiots na all on the course today. Marcella Samba, let Marcella Samba they talk about election, say the election for take place 2023. Now the instruction will come from Ernest to that idiots na all and say let them all begin to talk about the election 2023 because Ernest Koroma in plan, Ernest Koroma none of him plan not the way they do I don't know, but he go call it till begin 2022 or 2023. Now they tell go for lay all Ernest Koroma and plans them against this country, against the president Nado. But now they go no more. I say they don't get plan for me, but not for themselves. I say they don't worry about me, but not for themselves. I'm cool. I settle. I stable. Yes. So this is not the problem. So if the election not take place 2023, and then if people like where they say I don't budget for January to December 2021, they can happen say the budget where you don't make for December 2021, the program can last now say now until this July 2022 now the program they take place. So you get for extend your expenditure, you get for extend your budget. So unless in program with the idiots them where it thinks say it want for use for over 2% bill now on 2023 the limit day. So if you did not do election 2023, you get for spend more money back until the time where they get for go do the election. But I know say President Bill now old soldier and old soldier now always a soldier.
This is the beginning of that movement. Madana old soldier, Madana old soldier, Fiona old soldier, Fiona old soldier, Una levi you la fight, Una levi ya respect, Una levi ya moral, Una levi you la fight. This is the way we want it to be. This is the way we want it to be.
All right, this is the way we want him to be. So now, like on other side, I know say them go down shock. My second message now to the APC people. Oh yeah, APC, una sidom, and Eskroma the big fool una. Now una party. And Eskroma they use una. Now una APC party. Una sit down. Yesterday, some of the stakeholders of APC supposed to forget meeting. Na the APC party office, the headquarters na railway line. Me I wait. I be sit down this while they wait for una for the meeting. But what's happening? Oh, family, APC, if una no get honest out of una party, una no say me na the true talk program I they represent. If I say anything way na in the benefit of una, they tell una it's not true. If una no pull an Eskroma na APC, sorry for una, see una far. Yesterday, the stakeholders, some of the stakeholders, key stakeholders, they want to get a meeting yesterday na APC party office, na Freetown, the headquarters, na Old Railway Line, Brookfields. The reason why they want to go get this meeting, now on the adoption of the new constitution, the new APC constitution where NRM then be the faithful. So NRM be the part of this meeting where it's supposed for hold yesterday and with some other key stakeholders where for be there inside this meeting for adopt the new constitution and decide on certain other things then. Una know what's happening? Because Eskroma no wants that for happen, he want for continuously hold the APC to ransom. He want for continuously hold the APC to all by himself. Una know what he do? Eskroma called few people them day before yesterday night. Where he don't know say yesterday this meeting for old. Now I called day before yesterday called few of Ion men supporter the ready for him. Say a lie pardon say the government don't instruct the police them for go arrest them na Makeni. So let them all come na Makeni for let them go be shield as a human shield for them. But na lie a lie pardon for Ion benefit for let the meeting not take place at all for decide for the interest of the APC and the genuine members of the APC. So what's happening? The one that we're supposed to make the meeting hold, the grassroots and others, everybody begin the run now from yesterday night, till yesterday morning. All man they go Makeni, all man they go Makeni, all man they go Makeni. Majority of them be they Makeni now that exists for go up and Eskroma in place From that place, they now take the surrounding, they all the hosts they be there around that, where they around and the Skroma, talks them and other APC supporters, they all be there because an sniper they say the government don't send police them for go arrest them for normally the APC meeting or all the yesterday for go adopt the election, the constitution. I don't say the shock una. Na lie pa una. In lie pa una fools. Nobody no go for go arrest her. Nobody no get a business for now until we ACC get for ready for pay salon people the money when be don't thief. Yes. So now this is do na yesterday, una no doubt. Yeah? Una no doubt at all. My third message, me family now on Kyong Mining Company, where they operate Tonkolili and Pepel. Kyong Mining Company, know the teeth they will command them well, and the department where me be there, where I go say ABB one of the worstest departments for Sierra Leoneans them. Because the nationality they will be there, then be the marginalized way and monopolize the job. Now that very departments they will be there. And then be they suppress people not for go from one level to another. So imagine if I tell you now, say the same people and they still there for can't get the same position. So struggle continues. So Kyong, now the worst thing ever will ever happen at the mining industry. The one that we advise for like Kyong mining, then take Ferengbeya when at the Tonkolili mines and Pepel, they not advise the government well at all. The workman and they suffer hell one. From Bumbunatong to the mine site, it's over 8 miles, if I not lie. But imagine Africa Mineral Trade be get boss, then will be the transport people into site. But now, either you take bike or fare your way up. Imagine. Then they want to go quick. No safety, no nothing, no they take place. The guy they know they even do nothing for improve the site. They know they do nothing for improve the plants. Self where they meet now. Not to them can make out the plants where they meet Africa Mineral and all left. They know they do nothing for improve them. One woman they way they rape in Pekin, my family and my fourth message that they Nakisi, and then the police there na Eastern they allow people for use politics for left the man we rape that woman in Pekin. And this guy, we rape this woman in Pekin, he get APC backing, he get APC connection. So now they don't use the man they make boast to say, in people and they make boast say, na case we then go pull for him. And somebody we rape people Pekin, the man be done in a cell. Now they don't bill him, they don't pull him in a cell. They don't pull this man in a cell. They try for give number to una the authorities for let una able for contact this woman with the rape in Pekin and the rape and seize advantage program and this woman not get anyway for able fight this case for himself. Now listen on.
Yes, Mr. Karakodia, I want to for me. I don't come. One season advantage by me begin a rape. This case I don't in a station. Don't pass 2 weeks now. I don't go build the bubble. Don't know if it's me. The one season advantage by me. I don't go bribe. I don't fella. That's what me picking for left so. I'm a graphic you want that man who born out to be done pass now. Other man can't me now. Now that man they all are don't get shameless man. I don't first the case. They don't go to other side. Today they don't go Bella. Me I don't get nothing. What's it for you to be? I don't get. I don't left pass. But say me have 15 they don't done. Today they don't go Bella and they say that they get money. Papa do you have me? I will help me now. Somebody give me this number. I do ya. Let me back me. What you then go get by me pickle and no go even do ya. Me I know no more. I don't go book, I don't sabi do nothing. A business no man sabi do there, Papa.
All right, okay, family. Anybody we want for contact this woman for rescue and for kind of aid for letting Pekin get justice, the number where them give me na 088 012 946 088 012 946. If you want for contact this woman, for help for let it get justice. Me final message na my fellow Sierra Leoneans now on the field, and I go talk small about Leon Star players. You know, I want to tell Sierra Leoneans the one thing. APC and that idiots na Holland, Brema Fofana and few others, Jibi Bangu Awege Lassie, they no go ever come na media and talk good. If you like, you know how APC they don't turn right now. If you like we una dena os, una get one papa, but na different mama born una. If the other belebon picking the pan progress the better, the other side, the other one we get your mama, it jealous you, it bad at you. If you say safe, you don't buy a motor car. You know not the first thing they say, not to him buy, na buy them buy for her. Then what you get for say back? That motor car they say if you not get for take, they go pull and gist them. Than a badat, than the complete badat, ghost badat, chronic badat, na APC then get. Let person know the you person goodness no more. You say then they not get for tea. If they say person don't get then get for sack and gist no. That person they can't get visa, they can't go America. You know they go. Na APC they pan do. Na then they do. Leon Star, President Julius Maada Bio, Alec Leon Star team na 200 people in the day. 200. Listen, Alec Leon Star team na 200 people in the day. But for the mere fact, it make a promise say, if una qualify, and they give una so amount of money, then he pull that money they give them. He do now, he not do now. Plus he get 10,000 there, he not get 10,000 there. Waiting at the best thing for do, not to for tell the president thank you and praise him. George Oponwia na be footballer, na pan football he retire, he go be president. 10 million Leon safe in a game team. 10 million. The Gambian president promised the team when 2,500,000,000 nine promised them 2,500,000,000 nine promised them where he call where the man then go play where they come now talk he go put them pa now the player then left and pine talk na in office. But President Bio give 4,100,000,000. APC then they pan turn on left right center turn on the way for let you see like for say you know for praise President Bio. Hey, if you mix by that full day, you know a big fool. Nobody no mix it by that full day. Una left there by the fool. Teacher bang if you then at school, the teacher not get sense for give you picking says now fully they put para. So you if you person they tell you say me I not go school, me na idiot, me na big fool. You dey go listen to it in they talk, you believe her. You dey add per fool. Trust me. They not even know say the player they don't get the money. They not even know say Musa Chombodo receive in check of 100 million. All the players they don't receive the money. All nobody no left again. All man don't get the money. They don't even understand what's in their happen. But the only thing where they understand na propaganda for can downplay, for can turn the good thing to bad thing to una the full man them. But no say me people are not full again at this country. Una know what's in the true thing where they happen. President Bio below secretly nobody no know. Now they feel we don't know ever know say President Bio de Pambilios. Nobody no ever talk nothing para. That idiot in camera no ever work for see that who still President Bio de Pambil. Now him be they talk say Alec na inside us una they talk S wall they ground they I they know. Now one all us not to inside room one all us na in them bill so. Usa you camera la bit map. So una we then una hey APC una left big fool. The fuel business na salon. If I tell you something, you're not surprised. For now, salon get lesser price than fuel. President Bio, fuel price don't go up in the world market from month safe. From May, from April to May, June, fuel be don't go up na the world market. May, June. So 2 months President Bio suppress, pay subsidies, pay the differences for me and you two. We get for take transport, you no get motorcar, you get motorcar. Now until now, inside July. Now it affects na salon. Even when it affects na salon, me family. Inside fuel price, salon get the cheapest fuel right now. Now the sub-region. The Central African Republic, the fuel price per liter. Now when I be say they five, if you don't buy na salon, you go sell there. Because the young price, salon would sell now they buy 9,500. Other countries they have 12,000, 13,000, 14,000. Some other than 11, 10,500, 10,000. I think now 1 or 2 countries go na the website, go na internet check. Now 1 or 2 countries they will get lesser price, and some day we they the same. But majority of other countries in Africa, them price them they far ahead of we. But salon, I not say, but now we President Bio na the president. SLPP in power. No APC social media person no day. We go come and tell you that today. No APC social media and mad dogs no day. We go can tell you say this us we cast a bill for President Bio. He don't try. No leader no ever do on a salon. Nobody inside the one wall safe. No leader no ever do that kind of President Bio do. But APC social media, my dogs, they not going to ever talk that today. Now, your President Bio, they give 1,300,000 to the APC supporter, them free. They want the praise, huh? So, mamwe afamame no, na do temne, kurutodo polokoba, do Kambia, do Tonkolili district. Marino afamame no, tate no, to stay. Kalistin matai amim baraswam punk do bompe yo mastie matemi en fait asu beng maskumi anti de punk because na allow nam comment fete na allow a fait atmant nal afuma bera ayem sanu nan tman listing top of 30 en fait tanu man de komi ande tang matai man President Bion cross umrasu moyengi klinuba Kakambia, moins que des satellites. Do Kabala, moins que des satellites. Do Potuloko, a school long government and a girls school ngampo billion. Cotton Colony district, Orong Burka Kodon 91, Nanang Madine, APC on strong ngang. President Bion, moins on peut promise en fond que paye, Orong a de 91 Kodon do Burkai, or de Bempadi. Ot de song a light katapet ta banbana en oida sondi a light to peta 7 tapet banbana kakabala kiidi kakambia kiidi kamo yamba kiidi ti bati ate oida song a light moenge APC 11 years and Blair matayama President Biung kan 3 years koida kiyoma pantami be afumamenu Tastanu atayate munafaswe. Ta support o uniyo mkarasu munafae. Tastanga mpati angepie. Ant karano tatukolo. Keremno ka support bonke pae amine support e botra ngagbati support ngagbat. Ali mno akoluse angis momu. Ali rasmuno ayono tatukolo. On support bata party. Angepi mtem kolomina kire doronui. APC het kolo ta e minus part of not bendo not klinuba aronga de urong burka kodo do bumbuna madia Oronga de Robin Kolok kodo bumbo na klidu madiba. Kere anesa dok tilno boti yanka Afrika miningal an urkan power yengi. Kote nudo tonkolilia. Kote nudia koko. So APC yeta et kolo. Min kailong konoboki Minister of Education we fidon gurkai. Min kailu bang. Molo school or approved do tonkolili district kono do ura. Molo teachers are approved do tonkolili district do ura. Come on, terrain APC. Hey, muno APC ampoto track pa na afma penke. Aur kono, aur keno, ana no votanga. Hey, pepi boye pa et dem antia bonge. Na no po sofa. Bepe no APC tang no president biyong. Ot karanom tem koloyo. Do not. Pi todo tonkolili ba. Pi todo poloko ba. Pi todo kambiai. Pi todo karineba. Afma menudo. The people in Akamakwe, well done. Una they do very well. Una don't come up on the darkness. Una don't follow the light. Una don't come up on the big fool. Una don't get sense. I tell God thank you for that. The people of Kamakwe, Karine district, kudos to una. Una really don't decide say yes. APC not be good for una, and not go ever be good for una. SLPP and President Bill, na then dey for una. Cambia people, kudos to una. Una don't come up on the dark, now una dey on the light. Una don't know say President Bill, na in dey for una for develop this country and for develop una place them. Same goes to the Tonkolili district people. I know say majority of me people in Tonkolili, and for me do Tonkolili, ample bat chimp. Una don't get sense. I know. Una don't know Bembe say APC not good for this country. I know that day. God bless you all, and God bless we all. God bless Sierra Leone. God bless President Bill for a good job them way it do for this country, for the good plans them way it gets for this nation, for make Sierra Leone go na the higher height, na the wall. Imagine now CCTV camera then now the streets they can begin get so. So the way CCTV camera now posting host no more this year. Now President Biodepa expand Sierra Leone like any white man country. Right now, they don't begin put CCTV camera. So now, person goes to your office, you go see this no motorcar they pass, most motorcar don't pass, Okada don't pass. If you Okada jam keke, they know. If you keke jam taxi, then they see and they go no that guy right like you not go there. You see the country they can develop. President Biona also jai good. Alright, afuma mino wanu yo nung President Bioni APC mantara kapai omano de takde kolo santo fanye tan ikodaran an fof mutay les be to omano te taman fof atemo toyo taman fof antem President Bioma box on kala 1,300,000 an bok for party an bok priskoy one day an for fake pay omano poyo mutay kolo ngate ingbe tamba takbe pena panga APC ankule team tamba kono people le una dede. You see APC the layman de no sabia na school man ane so mobo kodo kono en 2012 campaign puis oyi campaign a more 6 years until mo promise am from do kono before mo campaign and let's go promise the people na kono say e say na ya we o talk de do am e say the University of the East e say na kono ya so age for bilam itaopai not to say in BC. Then that lie there on APC, they lekam, the full one inside APC, that lie the streets. And they not even say and say self like na lie the man be lie. And it's not lie man, kono kaki agbet koba and it's on ka gera bashi, okira. Ona bye bye.